illustrates the intricate journey of constructing a 3D printer, emphasizing the challenges and valuable lessons encountered throughout the process. It epitomizes the creativity and resourcefulness essential in this construction. Interestingly, opting for steel over conventional aluminum profiles can significantly lower costs while enhancing the printer's structural strength. This innovative choice signals a trend toward employing more robust materials in DIY projects. Furthermore, precision in welding and frame assembly is crucial, showcasing techniques that facilitate better angles and overall stability. This underscores the fundamental engineering principles vital to effective 3D printer design. Moreover, aligning the Z-axis spine with the frame is pivotal for preserving the printer's structural integrity. This alignment can be achieved by accurately translating measurements between the top and bottom frames. The selection of components, particularly linear rails, has a significant effect on the printer's rigidity. Linear rails are favored over roller assemblies due to their superior strength and lightweight characteristics. Additionally, employing tools like punch aids can prevent drill bits from slipping during the drilling phase. This critical step ensures that holes for assembly are clean and precise. Utilizing a stencil from a previous failed print can effectively mark hole placements for components, such as linear actuators and pulleys. This strategy guarantees precision during assembly. Choosing an appropriate mounting location for the controller board is vital for both accessibility and functionality. Optimal placement can streamline wiring and simplify future maintenance. Furthermore, aesthetic decisions, such as spray painting the frame, not only enhance the visual appeal but also provide protection against deterioration. A matte finish may be preferred for a sleek, minimalistic look. The design of stepper motor brackets incorporates a 3-bolt system for secure mounting, ensuring stability during operation. This feature contributes to the overall efficiency of the 3D printer's assembly. Employing threaded heat-set inserts in plastic components enhances durability and prevents wear caused by repeated assembly. This method is favored over direct threading for longer-lasting results. Proper alignment of the X-beam and Y-rail is essential for ensuring smooth movement. This alignment guarantees efficient printer operation while minimizing friction during the printing process. Managing wires with zip ties and heat shrink tubing significantly improves cable organization, reducing strain on connections. This practice is crucial for preserving the longevity of the printer. Upgrading components such as the hot end and leveling sensor can greatly enhance print quality and operational efficiency. Implementing these upgrades often results in a markedly improved printing experience. Selecting the right controller board can significantly influence the printer's functionality and its compatibility with various firmware. A well-supported board simplifies the process of upgrades and troubleshooting. The breakout panel is designed with a mini USB port and an XT60 connector for external power, allowing for cleaner wire management compared to previous builds. Additionally, utilizing a compact external power supply helps maintain the build's minimalist aesthetics while providing adequate power for multiple printer instances. Implementing custom firmware is essential for tailoring the 3D printer to specific components, including configuring settings for the core XY mechanism and ensuring seamless compatibility with peripherals. Installing custom Marlin firmware enables tailored configurations that significantly enhance the printer's capabilities. This step is critical for achieving high speeds and precise movements. Calibration plays a vital role in ensuring the printer operates accurately and produces high-quality prints. Tools like calipers are invaluable for measuring alignment and detecting any skew in prints. Finally, upgrades such as advanced cooling systems and improved hardware can lead to superior print quality. These enhancements often demand creativity and resourcefulness in the use of available materials.